Hello, I am MD Mehra Hossain. Today I am going to presenting you how can you how can we opening a YouTube channel. So for following this question, I make a YouTube channel. So let's for following this question, I make a slideshow, PowerPoint slideshow. On this PowerPoint slideshow, I will introducing an instruct how able to create a YouTube channel. So let's start. So how my first title is how to open a YouTube channel, a step by step guide to creating your own YouTube channel, right? Okay, if I click the next is sign in to your YouTube. Go to your YouTube and sign in with your Google account. Actually, first of all, we should to go to the www.youtube.com. Actually, YouTube and Google is a collaboration company. If you have Google account, you have a or you have a YouTube account, you just need to follow some procedure. So let's start. Go first of all step to go to the YouTube setting. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select the setting, and then create a new channel. Under your channel, click create a new channel and enter a name. And step 4 is customize your channel. Upload a profile picture and channel and describe and set up a branding. Upload your first video. Click on the camera icon, select upload video and follow the prompts. That's it. Thank you.